Well, we've made it to Brownstown. The new tires, me and Dave are cutting and siping. Here's the water.
Thank you, buddy.
As soon as you get done siping or cutting that, I'll go take it back there and sipe it so you can keep using that. No Nicholas tonight, so back on tire duty. We drew 63 out of 100, so we'll be qualifying towards the tail of probably Group B, maybe the middle. Hey, lots of good cars here tonight. It's about 5:20. Probably got about an hour before the driver's meeting. About 48 cars signed in here tonight. We will be the 6th car out in Group B for qualifying. Hot laps will be coming up shortly. Dave and I have been cutting and siping tires. I still got 2 tires to sipe. They're all cut. Daryn is making a last minute change before we go out for hot laps.
I knew better from work. Fuck, I've welded nonstop at work before, but
Bernie's back with us.
I ain't never, I've MIG welded before, but I ain't never stick welded. About 4 hours later.
Stick welding's worse.
I know.
Than MIG.
I didn't feel nothing that night, and I woke up that morning and my arm was Milwaukee red, and I was
Of all people around us, he's around it all the time.
Ogre's giving him a pep talk. Ready to roll out for qualifying. Group A's on the track. Oh, Spark and Burn over here is siping tires.
I had to resipe this new fan.
Welcome back after a 6-week hiatus.
It was bad.
We've changed gears, choked the motor, made a shock change. We will be starting second row outside into heat race number 6. 10 laps, taking the top 3, coming up here shortly. Making a change. Heat race 4 is on the track. They have called us up. Well, it's about 11:30. We just got back to the shop, made kind of a group decision to not start the B main. Would have been starting 6. They only take 2 to the feature, and there was a lot of good cars in front of us, so decided to just park it, save it for tomorrow. Nothing was tore up. Don't have much to do to it tomorrow to get it ready for Peevely, so that was the decision, and we all agreed with it, instead of taking a chance of getting it destroyed and have to work our butts off tomorrow to race again. I'm good.
See if Doug wants one. Ask him.
Dave or Doug, you want a Smoky?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Yeah, he wants one. I'll just put a chew in.
One for later. Take them both.
Dave's handing out sausages.
See ya.
See ya. So we will be on to Peevely tomorrow. hoping for better results. Car was good. It had speed. Daryn was overall happy with how it handled. We just need a little luck on our side. We'll get there. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race card in the lower right hand corner. Catch you all tomorrow.